Hi, all my single people on Valentine's Day. Listen, I know it sucks to be single on Valentine's Day, so I want to clear a little bit of that sucky feeling away, and we're going to do it with my favorite tool, EFT tapping. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to tap along with me and repeat after me. Even though it sucks to be single on Valentine's Day, I accept myself anyway. Even though it really sucks to be single on Valentine's Day, I accept myself. Even though it totally sucks to be single on Valentine's Day, I love and accept myself anyway. Now go right here. It sucks to be single on Valentine's Day. It sucks to be single on Valentine's Day. It really sucks. It sucks to be single on Valentine's Day. It just really sucks. It sucks to be single on Valentine's Day. It sucks to be single. It sucks to be single on Valentine's Day, and I choose to release a little bit of this feeling now. Deep breath. Tune into your body. How are you feeling? Some of you are going to feel a lot better. Go about your day. Some of you are going to feel more emotional. If so, watch this again. Keep tapping along. Or go to my YouTube channel. Check out some of my other videos to tap away and ease any suffering or upset you're feeling. DM me with any questions.